Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. So I opened this up because I wasn't sure if there's like a box inside a bag type of situation. So I'm not going to show you too closely so I don't spoil it right away. But we are opening up Empress Mimi today. I am so excited. If you don't know what Empress Mimi is, it is a London-based subscription and shop that sells lingerie. They have two different lingerie subscriptions. So I pulled it up so I wouldn't forget this time the pricing. I pulled it up on my old phone. And by the way, so they have two subscriptions like I said, but they also have a shop. And at the time I'm filming this, they do have a spring sale, or I don't know, is it spring sale? Did I just make that up? A flash sale. I don't know why I said spring. 80% off certain things plus 30% off. Yeah, there's a sale, so check out their website. I'm going to leave down below. So they have the Queen Box, which is $44.95. You receive a surprise matching set of Empress Mimi design lingerie every month. You can cancel anytime. They do have a great size range, by the way. Always look at their sizing and stuff on the website. Again, I'll link it down below. And then the Empress box is $99.95, and that says spoil yourself and get all the matching accessories with your monthly delivery for the decadent among us. And like I said, I kind of peeked, and I think we might be opening up the Empress box. I think that is what they said to me. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored or anything like that. So let's get started. So I'm just going to pull everything out so I can kind of see how best to unbox this together. Anything else in here? I feel bad. Emmy was sleeping on the bag. I was doing a client reading, and then when I was done and I was about to do this right away, she's on it, and I had to pull it out from under her, and she's a little salty. I'm sorry, Emmy. Okay, so it came with a bag. So this is so that you can hold your lingerie set in, which I love. Empress Mimi, unleash your inner goddess. I love everything about their theme, and all the pieces are like, whew. So we have multiple things here to open. There's those castles. Okay, and then we have this. So yeah, I believe we're opening the Empress box, but it comes with the cards so we can learn about our set. And look, you can use this as a little art print if you want. Foxy, Cleopatra. I'm so excited. So Empress Mimi and Foxy Cleopatra. It's like a little collab here. Dear Empress, red is commonly associated with blood, love, and fire, but for a woman like Cleopatra, the color red represented both her power and infamous glamour. As one of the first women in history to wear red lipstick, the ancient queen was known to be so extra as to grind up red beetles to make her luscious lips even more brightly robed. That might sound gross, but actually they use that in makeup these days too. Like carmine, is that what it is? Red beetles, yeah. Let this set be your undercover red arsenal, one that increases self-confidence and screams opulence. This time, you are not the romantic heroine. You are the ruler, a woman with the kind of beauty that can make a whole empire shiver. Wear this set in the comforts of your kingdom or as under armor when you go out to conquer yet another realm and a heart. Go ahead, put it on and let your inner Cleopatra shine through. With love and adoration, Empress Mimi. And yes, as a dear Empress, I think that this is the Empress box, just FYI. So let's get started. Like, I love the red. Oh my gosh. Let's just start with this one. This might be the bottom. I love the pieces I got last time, by the way. Both of them. They fit well, and they're so cute and sexy. Oh, this is like a nice satin. So here is the front. We got that like lace. Oh, look at the beautiful detail. I swear, these are such good quality. I love that. Look at that. So we have that like sheer, beautiful design there, and then satin. So this is like a full back or bikini cut, would you say? I don't know. And it does have like the little protector here. Ooh. Crown your booty. It's oh my, I am loving these colors. Okay, so it's a 3-piece set. Ooh. And this is the, oh, is this like in the let's see, what does it say? Oh, this also says crown your booty. Ooh, oh, yeah, so this is like kind of like garter thing, right? Okay, it goes, you can see it here. This is like around your tummy. And then those come up. Maybe I don't know all the right terminology, but I should learn. So it has these little like buttons here. Look at how beautiful this is. little clips. And I'll just show you this. So we do have these, I think I did mention this, we have some stockings, so we can clip them on there. Let's just look at the stockings now since we talked about that. Look at this Fior Madame 2010 patterned socks, stockings, sorry, I don't know why I said socks. So it has it like lined there. These are hot. Oh my god, I haven't worn something like this in so long. This will be so fun. Look at that. So yeah, just these clip on to this here. And then let's look at our top. So when you subscribe, of course, you get like a discount on these. Like they'll be way more when you purchase them as single sets and not as a subscription in their shop. But again, they do have that sale going on, so maybe not. I'm just gonna clip the back of this. And they're all very adjustable. I've noticed all the sets like in different areas. So here's the top. Oh my gosh. I might be obsessed. I know I haven't put it on yet, but this is so dug and so beautiful. So yeah, see what I mean? How it's very adjustable. In the back, you can, of course, adjust this here. And then there's 2 different adjustments. And then another one on these straps. So you can make sure this fits you right, which I love. You guys, this is so gorgeous. And then this is a little fun extra. We have these little red like tassels, like little nibble, what do you call these? Is tassels the right word? So they stick on and hang off. So you can wear these under there too if you want to, or on a separate occasion. How fun. I don't think I've ever had anything like this before. Oh my god, this is so great. And then we have this, and then we have our bag. This really nice bag that we can put everything in. This might be my favorite. I'm not gonna try it on camera. I get like banned from YouTube because it's a little sheer, but I'm totally gonna try this on later. I'm so excited. I'm like working on my health game right now. I actually have an appointment with a health coach in like a half hour. So I'm like working with someone, working out more. I'm gonna be feeling more, I'm already, you know, a decently confident person, but now I'm gonna be able to feel really good and like rock these even better. But anyone can rock them, all shapes or sizes. You truly are a goddess. And no matter what shape or size I currently am, Empress Mimi really knows how to make me feel good, like a goddess and really sexy and cute. And I'm obsessed. This was so fun. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna link them down below. Check them out. Check out the subscription or their shop. Again, like use that code. I think it'll be on their website. Just see what pops up, because then it could change if you're watching this at a later date. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to hear from you. This is so fun for me. I can't wait to try it on. I'm loving the red. But yeah, and I'm loving you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.